introduction, I want to tell you about myself. My name is Arvin Saputra. You can call me Arvin. I am from Bogor Village. I was born in Sampang, 13th of March 2013. I am Abdullah Barikot. I am student at second grade junior high school of Plaza Tutula. My hobby is Pancasila. My favorite subject is math. My favorite food is fried chicken. My favorite drink is Coca-Cola. My favorite breed is blue. My favorite colors is apple. My favorite song is Surat Cinta Bejesta. My favorite movie is Pancasila. My father is businessman. My mother is business. I have one brother and two sisters. My ambition is businessman. I think I know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.